Hey everybody, today I'm going to take you step by step on how I achieve the perfect flat twist out using the core collection from the main choice. Using the shampoo and conditioner from this collection, I've already cleansed and conditioned my hair. So now I'm just going to go ahead and separate my hair into sections so that I could better apply the product and install my flat twist. Once I've divided my hair into sections the way I want my hair to fall, I'm going to start with the 3-in-1 conditioner. This could be used as a co-wash, a detangler, or a leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to use it as a leave-in slash detangler. I'm just applying a generous amount, and as you can see, I'm able to finger detangle with ease using this product. Now I'm going to take my hair and divide it into even smaller sections to install my flat twist. And I'm going to be using the Crystal Orchid Gel for my styling. This is going to give me a soft hold and give me great definition. After applying the product, I'm going to start detangling with my Denman brush, and this is going to give me a really nice smooth flat twist and make it a lot easier at takedown, starting at the ends and working my way up to the roots. And now I'm going to install a small to medium size flat twist. To avoid your hair tangling during the takedown process, just make sure you're grabbing your Denman brush or whatever tool you're using to smooth out your hair as you're flat twisting. Let's take a closer look at the flat twisting process, and if you need a step-by-step tutorial, just check out the link in the description box below on my How to Flat Twist 101 video. And as you can see, I'm twisting very close to my scalp. This helps with 1, making sure that your flat twist does not unravel, and 2, giving you some really great definition at takedown. And after repeating those steps throughout the remainder of my hair, I have 12 flat twists total. I'm just going to allow my hair to air dry overnight, and then I'll take it down the next morning. To minimize frizz, you want to take your time during the takedown process. And I love the definition that I'm able to achieve with flat twisting. Not only that, but I don't have to do a lot of separation at all. Separation happens automatically as I'm untwisting my hair. And you can see the definition that I was able to achieve with using the Crystal Orchid Gel and the leave-in from the core collection. Going to continue to unravel each twist, making sure I'm taking my time during this process. This is again going to help to minimize frizz and maintain definition. Do y'all see these results? My hair looks amazing. I have lots of shine, lots of movement, great definition with just using the few products that I use. And as you can see, my hair is not crunchy, so I have a soft hold. I'm just going to take a little bit of the Laid Back Effortless from the core collection just to put on the side of my edges to finish and polish the look. And here are my final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have tried these products before and which product is your favorite from the core collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!